How to use Duolingo. First, open the app. Over here, you will see a smart bar. It will guide you at the whole app. First, you have to choose which type of language do you want to learn. For example, I choose the language Arabic. You can even choose Korean, Dutch, Chinese, whatever you need to learn. Now, you have to choose how did you hear about Duolingo? Then how did you knew about this app? From App Store, Google Search, TikTok, YouTube, or etc. You have to choose it over here. TV, Facebook. For example, I choose Google Search. Over here, how much do you know that language? Lit or mud? Now, why are you learning it? Just for fun and spend time. Well, that is great reasons. Now, how much time do you need? For example, your learning goal. 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 3 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay? A bird will guide you. Now here, do you want Duolingo to send you notifications? And now here, it's telling you that what you can achieve in your 3 months. Confidence, vocabulary. Now, are you learning Arabic for the first time, or you already know some Arabic? Or any subject you choose. Now here, it says that it can be hard to stay motivated. Now here your lessons are getting started. As you can see, Dal and Alif. Now there's a speaker at it. It says the pronunciation. Thanks for watching.